Say more English.
Good morning. Thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm moving to Seattle, and I need a moving truck.
Sure. When would you like to move?
Next Saturday.
Okay. What time should we arrive?
7:30 a.m., please.
No problem. What is your pickup address?
It is 215 Lake Street, apartment 3B.
Thank you. What is the drop-off address in Seattle?
It is 88 Pine Avenue, Seattle.
Great. What floor are you on?
I'm on the 3rd floor.
Is there an elevator or only stairs?
Only stairs.
About how many large items do you have?
1 refrigerator, 1 washing machine, 2 beds, 1 wardrobe, 2 bookcases, 1 table, and some boxes.
Thank you. That will need a large truck.
How much will it cost?
The estimate is $300 for the truck and 2 movers.
Does that include loading and unloading?
Yes, it includes loading and unloading.
Do you charge extra for stairs?
Yes, there is a small stair fee. We will confirm the exact fee after we see the stairs.
Okay. Do you need anything else from me?
Yes, please tell me if you have any fragile items.
I have some glass items and a TV.
Okay, please pack them carefully, or we can help you pack them.
I will pack them myself.
No problem. Is this the best number to reach you?
Yes, this is the best number.
Great, we will arrive next Saturday at 7:30 a.m.
Please be on time because I have a busy morning.
Of course. We will be on time, and we will call you when we are close.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We will see you next Saturday.